What's up, creatives? Let's talk about how to sell video to local businesses without feeling like a pushy car salesman. If you're like me when I first started, the idea of sales sounded gross and like the least fun part of the business. But what if I told you that it's just about being helpful and consistent? Here's part one on how to land new clients easily, with a mixture of free tactics, paid options, and a little sprinkle of hustle. My name is Noah, and I am a professional video marketer with over 13 years of experience, specializing in helping local businesses succeed through strategic video marketing. I've helped more than 100 companies elevate their brand with video, and I currently run a six-figure production company focused on results-driven storytelling. So let's start with the free stuff. Yes, free. If your budget is zero, but your ambition is high, this is your six-part game plan. 1. Your phone is your gold mine. Open up your contacts. Seriously. Text 5 to 10 people per day that you know that own businesses and ask them 3 simple questions. How are you doing with your business so far this year? Do you have any specific goals that you're trying to hit in the next 6 to 12 months? Once you get those answers, say this: I know how you can use high engagement video content to increase sales and culture for your company. Would you be open to hearing how this works? If they say no, then ask if they know anyone who could use video marketing. If they say yes, then start chatting about how video can help their company. And that's it. No pressure, just conversation. You will be shocked about how many warm leads are already in your pocket. Number 2, old clients equals new projects. Make an exhaustive list of all the clients you've worked with before. This could be freelance gigs, past clients, free videos that you made when you were just getting started. Again, ask them a couple questions. There's going to be a lot of questions in this process. So how are people reacting to the video that we made when you show them? Did you already get some new clients from it? What results have come from this video so far? What are your specific goals that you want to hit in the next 6 to 12 months? And how many videos do you plan on doing this year? Super easy. You're just reconnecting and offering more value. Number 3, post in local Facebook groups. So join local community groups and 1, post work that you've done in that town, and 2, post behind the scenes videos in that town. But don't just post a clip to post. Try and have a helpful nugget or some wisdom or a tip in there. Like this. And I'm trying not to shoot this completely from this angle, because then it would be all silhouettes. So if I can be on the sides, I can actually get light on faces. Whenever I'm doing photos, I feel like I have a freaking, like I'm in combat zone. Yeah, see, there you go. Contemplating. Oh. Yes. See, now you're showing your skills and you're educating without selling. Comes back to a core video strategy: show, don't tell. Number 4, Trojan horse DMs. This is one of my favorites. DM 5 to 10 local businesses in your town per day on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. So here's what you say. Hey, Mr. Business Owner, I run a video marketing company in your city, and I'm trying to connect with people in and around the your county area to build my network of awesome people. Are you still selling the thing that they're selling? So that's the Trojan horse. You're just introducing yourself and asking if they're still doing the thing that they're doing. Hint, the answer is most likely yes. And that's what you want to get out of them, a first yes. Number 5, Chamber of Commerce listings. Download or go pick up in person the business listings for your local Chamber of Commerce. Then you text or email 5 to 10 businesses from that listing with the same friendly Trojan horse message. They're already in business mode. You're just showing up in their inbox. 6, spec work, but strategic, not random. If there is a brand or a business that you would absolutely love to work with, go make something for them. Not a full commercial, just a short 30 to 60 second commercial that solves one of their problems or just makes them look amazing. Then post it, tag them, and send this message to them. Hey, I made this to show you what's possible if you use strategic video marketing. Let me know if you want to chat. Spec work, when done smart, opens doors. Just don't overdo it for free. So now we're moving into the paid section of this. If you've got a little budget, here are 3 more really great ideas. Copy. So remember that chamber I was talking about? Go join that Chamber of Commerce in your town. This is like the best kept secret in local business. Most chambers cost like $300 to $500 per year to join, so the ROI is almost guaranteed. The key to this is consistency. You have to show up to the local chamber events consistently and just go chat, get to know people, let them know what you do. Be curious, offer ideas. In fact, with a lot of chamber meetings, there's a time when they go around the room and everybody introduces themselves, and that's when you can hard pitch. That's when you can say, this is exactly what I do. Please come hit me up if you need video. Bonus points if they do raffles. You can offer a discounted video package as a prize. It puts your name out there, and whoever wins gets super excited about making a video. Next up is LinkedIn Sales Navigator DMs. So Sales Navigator is $100 a month, super worth it, and you message 5 to 10 local business owners on Sales Navigator. And here are the specific search terms that you can use to get directly into your market. And then you use the Trojan horse strategy. Here's a quick recap on what that looks like. So here's what you say. Hey, Mr. Business Owner, I run a video marketing company in your city, and I'm trying to connect with people in and around the your county area to build my network of awesome people. Are you still selling the thing that they're selling? This strategy on Sales Navigator is literally my #1 converter for new clients. I have a new business call actually right after I'm filming this for a new client that came from Sales Navigator with the Trojan Horse DM. Next, put $10 a day into a Facebook ad. Running ads doesn't have to be complicated. Offer a free video strategy ebook to local business owners. The one I use is 5 simple yet powerful strategies you can use to boost sales with video, even if you have never filmed before. Great hook. And boom, leads on autopilot, aka while you sleep. The next important part of this is the follow-up system. And here's where people drop the ball a lot. You have to follow up. The money is in the follow-up. So you use a simple message sequence sent 2 days apart. I use this sequence personally. So after the first initial one is sent, if they don't respond for one on the second day, you send, hey, just had a chance to come back to this and notice that you hadn't seen the message yet. Then you wait 1, 2 more days and then just send simply a question mark. And finally, if another 2 days goes by and you haven't heard anything, send this, hey, haven't had a chance to connect. I was curious to learn more about why. A, not looking for ways to generate more leads for your business. B, now isn't the right time. Or C, your business doesn't sound like the right fit. Would love a simple A, B, or C answer. And leave it at that. No need to get pushy, just that sequence. And that has been insanely powerful for me. Sending it 2 days apart just keeps you top of mind, and they might just be busy and still be interested. So you want to make sure you're hitting them again and again. So that's part 1, your free or low cost strategy to start selling businesses without feeling pushy at all. No spam, no pressure, just sending real value and being really consistent. In part 2, we'll dive into higher level pitches, pricing strategy, and how to close like a pro. If this helped, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite tactic, and go land that next client. Let's make some money. You got this. I appreciate your time watching this. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing. And if you live in Montana, please hit me up for your video production and marketing needs. I'll see you on the next one.